Hey DIYers, lately I have been on a tassel making spree. It happens every year. I hang them from light poles, doorknobs, put them on special gifts, put them on keys, you name it, there's a tassel on it. Today on Make Your Mark, we are using some of my favorite tools to create beautiful beaded tassels. And the best part about this project, we are making our own paper beads with my gel press and my Xyron Creative Station light. This is definitely a craft for the entire family. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to pop in and say, hey Mark, how you doing? Are you ready? Let's make some beaded tassels. Making paper beads is a traditional craft that goes back in England at least as far as the Victorian age. Young ladies would gather socially in their dining rooms and make handmade paper beads from scraps of wallpaper rolled on knitting needles. Perler bead sprites, or perler beads, originated in Sweden and were originally used to make necklaces and bracelets. In the early 1960s, Gunnar Knudsen invented a pegboard to create designs and patterns as a form of therapy for the elderly. I used waxed cord for this project, but colorful yarn would also work. Pony beads were first introduced to Indians by French explorers in the early 17th century and were immediately popular and well suited for use in decorating Indian garments. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and Xyron and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you next week. Bye.